November 27th, 2013. Looking at Earth-facing images of LASCO C3, guys. You can see ISON come in and went through that CME. It held up pretty good. But this thing is, everything's been stripped back. Remember from the 19th and the X flare and a couple other flares since then? And this thing would be coming into this picture about 4 to 5 times larger than it is because of that. And what I'm saying is you're looking at probably, according to the last ground observations, a 60 to 70,000 kilometer outer glow or outer cloud there. Before the X flare on the 19th, it would have been 4 to 5 times that size as far as the Comet. Remember, it's 250,000 kilometers plus before the X flare, and it stripped it back. But God knows what he's doing. That would have been an extremely powerful electrical charge. And this is not over yet. Check this out. We're having another backside flare, and I'll show you this on LASCO C2 also. This is a close-up of ISON. Now, through the day, it's just going to get brighter and brighter. If you look closely, it may be starting to develop that signature white cross that will go out from the right to the left. You see this in this image? That will occur as it gets closer to the sun. It will, that light signature, and it's really an oversaturation of the cameras as I go through these different temperatures and just kind of taking a look inside this thing. But again, it is so bright. One thing about this image, it is not stacked. This is the last still image from LASCO C3 as I was doing the video. And that's what we're getting there. But again, that bulge on the left very well may be the beginning of the light cross signature. Not positive yet, but that's what it looks like to me, guys, as we go through this. There's our trail coming in. Now that white, the yellow object there is a background star. That's not something in the tail. This thing is chugging through. Check this out. Going through some different temperatures here. Again, the backside flare coming in. Now this is stereo ahead, guys. This is where we've been watching ISON. It would be coming in on the left on this camera maybe today. It may be later in the evening. These, I'm going to switch to SDO, are facing. This is the ISON side there. And that's the large sunspot, guys, where you see the red flame, that giant one that we saw come around. And it's been having these bursts with that almost a river of fire running up the edge of the sun for 3 days. I've counted 5 like that one. But now what's happened is we've had an Earth-facing release of a filament. You see that? This is SDO, or facing ISONs to the right coming in. But guys, something strange about the flare tracker, they have not been updating them for about 2 days. Now, we're looking at 3 images of the sun. In the center is Earth facing in the SDO brown. To the right in the green, and to the left are both stereo images. Now, here in the right, that's the side that ISON is coming into. You can tell a big difference. Same thing here. Center is Earth facing. There's that new flare that I was showing you. To the left, you can see stereo behind, ISON coming in. To the right is stereo ahead, CRO2. Now, this is the image of the ISON facing stereo A camera on 195. These are the latest ones. Again, the sun realizes what's going on. It's on that side. That's its little brother coming in there with that charge, the one of the seed planters of the universe. But guys, in about an hour, we're going to be on Paul Begley's show. I'll put a link to it. If it's a good, a lot of good folks come over there. It's I consider it a good fellowship. Join us. Be safe.